So now we'll see how we can upload a YouTube video on YouTube. First of all, click on create, and then you will have options to create different things. So the first option is upload videos. Click on upload videos, and the screen will appear, and then you have to click on select files. Now you have to choose the directory where you want to where your YouTube video is located, and then you have to select that video, and the video will start uploading. Now you have to choose the title of your video. Then if you want to add some description, you can add that over here. You can also make a custom thumbnail. If you want to make a custom thumbnail, you can click on here and then choose the thumbnail. Then you can add that in playlist, like I add that in all videos playlist which I have already created. Now you have to choose that if this video is for kids or not. You can also change this in channel defaults, and then you have show more option. There are a lot of other options, like you can add tags, keywords, and different things. My video is related to how to make Gmail account, so I will write here how to make Gmail account. So I have added some other tags. You can add as many as you can. Then you have to select the language that is used in the video. I will select English United States. Then you can select recording date. I will select this date, then click on next. If you want to add subtitles and screen cards, whatever you can add over here, and click on next. There are no copyright issues. Then also click on next. And if you want to make this video private, click on here. It will shown only to you or the people you want to show them. And then there is unlisted videos. You can click on unlisted videos. If you want to unlist this, it means it will not be recommended by YouTube, but it will only shown if someone have a link of this video. And then you have an option of public. If you click on public, then anyone will be able to see this video. Then there is also option of to schedule this. You can set the date to make it public, and you can also set as premiere as well. Then okay, I will choose public, and then I will publish my video. Now you can share it on different platforms, and then close it. And as you can see, the video has been uploaded successfully. So this is how you can upload YouTube